Good morning, guys. It's Monday morning. The weather looks good today. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Mokgadi. If you're new, welcome, and if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back, and thank you so much for tuning back in. So today is Monday and I have a half-past science class, and I've decided that I'm gonna go to the library in between my lessons because I have cheer practice every day nowadays, and like I come back tired. So I'm gonna use my time, the time that I have during the day, to catch up on my schoolwork and all of that. And also I need to go get a pass out for my new PC because I have a new laptop. Chill. And yeah, guys, let's go to school. Hey guys, so this always happens to me, right? I had planned that after my classes I was gonna go to the library, where I came back to my room and I slept. It's like currently 2 p.m. right now. I had uploaded a vlog. I uploaded a vlog, and it got copyrighted, so I took it down, and now I'm trying to re-upload it again. I have cheer in like 2 hours and a half. Yeah, I'm tired, man. I'm still trying to. Wow, at least to YouTube. So say hi to the vlog. Hi. Guys, this is how we look after practice. Say hi to the vlog, guys. Say hi to the vlog. Say hi. Say hi to my phone that I bought cash. Say hi to my phone that I bought cash. Guys, subscribe to my friend's YouTube video. Here she is without a joke, guys. She just wanted to show her hair. That's on. That's on. Period.
Honey came in and she got me red-handed, creeping with the girl next door. Picture this, we were both butt naked, banging on the bathroom door. How could I forget that I had you in a relationship? All this time she was standing there, she never took her eyes off. Banging on the bathroom, banging on the bathroom, banging on the bathroom, banging on the bathroom, banging on the 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 banging on the. How could I forget that I had you in a relationship? All this time she was standing there, she never took her eyes off. Honey came in and she got me red-handed, creeping with the girl next door. Picture this, we were both butt naked, banging on the bathroom, banging on the banging on the sofa, banging on the tower, banging on the counter, banging on the. I had tried to keep her from what she was about to see. I said she really knew when I told her it wasn't me. Banging on the sofa, banging on the tower, banging on the counter, banging on the bathroom, banging on the.
Hey guys. This angle is not the one. I know I look like my problem, but I just took a shower and I'm gonna eat my food and like probably watch a vlog while I'm eating before I can like proceed with my schoolwork. Yeah.
How could I forget that I had given her an extra key? All this time she was standing there, she never took her eyes off. Banging on the bathroom, banging on the bathroom, banging on the.
What I'm having for breakfast. This is Future Life. I can't show, but the weather is so good. I can't wait to get home. I really want to get back. Hey guys. So I'm going to CapCut right now. Yeah, it's currently like 20 minutes to 4. And yeah, the weather is good today. It's not hot. The sun is not out. It's like it's going to be a good practice session, I believe.
Hi guys, hi vlog.
Hi guys. Oof, this angle is just not giving. Don't mind my things up here. Anyways, hi guys. I just came back from cheer practice. I feel good, I feel happy, I feel refreshed. Let me show you guys what I'm having for dinner today. So what I usually do, like when I get back from practice, I cook and then I take a shower and then I eat and then I do my schoolwork and then I go to sleep. And so today I'm just gonna eat because I don't have to cook. So it says these noodles, the best. I buy them from the Lovers Market. So yeah, I feel good, I feel refreshed, I feel, you know, so I'm just gonna make that and then eat and then take a shower and then get to my schoolwork because there's a lot I need to get. There's a lot I need to do today, actually. Guys, don't mind the noise outside. I just came back from cheer. Not cheer. Oh my gosh. I just came back from class. I am so hungry and like when there's no, the plugs are not working this side. Like in my room are not working. But guys, today is the 12th of Feb. That means I've officially been on YouTube. for a year. Today I'm celebrating 1 year on YouTube, guys, and we are like almost on 2,600 subscribers. Fully monetized, been monetized for like since last year July, for like almost 7 months now, guys. I am filled with gratitude. Like, I am so grateful for you guys, and please don't stop. Please continue showing your girls some love and support. You guys have no idea how happy I feel, how fulfilled I feel.
I feel happy, I feel grateful, and I feel fulfilled.
I feel fulfilled. Yeah, guys, like,
I'm happy because I never expected it, but God gave it to me. I'm grateful to Him.
2,600 subscribers, and it's been a year. Fully monetized, been monetized for like almost 7 months now. Like, guys, God is great. Like, God, thank you. You're like, this is way more than I prayed for. I always say that. This is more than I prayed for. But also, I am thankful and grateful, you know. Anyways, guys, today is Wednesday. I actually had a long day. Not long morning, actually. I'm so sleepy and hungry, but this house has no electricity. Say hi to my YouTube, guys. Hi, guys. We're doing a recruitment drive for cheer today. Look at my lashes, ridiculous. Yo, and guys, my skin is reacting to the sun already. So I'm looking for a scissor to cut these short because they don't want to come off. Yo, say hi. Hi.
How could I forget that I had given her an interest? All this time she was standing there, she listened to her love. Banging on the, 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 banging on the.
So far so good, guys. Hire us to be your promoter. The lighting is bad. Hire us. Door by door. Come in. How? Show me, come out. Smile. I just want to say shy, but that's what I got. I want to join. But no, thank you. I want to space. Hey guys, so I'm going through a lot with my eyes. I don't even know how I'm gonna study tonight. Like, this eye is so irritated. These don't wanna come off, but you know, I'll deal with that. Yeah, I look so ridiculous, but I'm gonna plug you guys. Look at these. These are so damn cute. If you stay around gate 1, gate 2, gate 3, I don't know, I'm just gonna leave the poster here, and you can text them and order your donuts, guys. Like, these taste good and they look good. Like, I ordered them yesterday. Yesterday I ordered 6 small ones. Today I ordered 6 big ones. Look, like, this is enough for Valentine. Like, truly, anyways, go buy yours. Oh, but Valentine is tomorrow. But like, just buy your she sells good thingies. I'm just gonna post the things on the thing so you can order. Her donuts are good, like, and they look so cute. I ordered these in the morning. I'm gonna finish these alone. Go out of yours. Guys, good morning. It's not even morning, it's like almost 2 p.m. Guys, yeah, my life has been all over the place. So today we have a performance for cheer. It's still a recruitment drive. We're just going to be performing so people can see and come join. I tried to do something different with my hair today and I think I did a great job. I'm so late. They take my city from 1:30 to 2. It's like 10 minutes to 2 and I'm still in my room. And campus, like, that stadium is like 15 minutes. A 15-minute walk from my place. So yeah, I am running late. I need to do my lips. But anyways, let's go, guys. My skirt is very short, guys. Hi. Another day, another chance to shine bright like a diamond. Like the diamonds that we are. Yeah, we're back, guys. Guys, we're hot. Guys, oh, what a messy week. So it's like, what's the time? So it's Saturday morning. It's actually like 10 minutes to 12. Yeah, today I just want to focus on my schoolwork, honestly, like the whole day and at night. I want to focus on my schoolwork. I want to edit this vlog and just be productive because lately I've just been losing sight a little bit and I need to do my laundry tomorrow so I can wash these so I can wash those for cheer. Yo! My room is not even dirty. I just need to wash my dishes and eat food, good food, proper breakfast. I don't even know what I'm gonna eat. And then I'm gonna get to my schoolwork and then yeah, take it from there. Oh, I'm tired. Okay guys, that brings us to the end of this messy vlog. This vlog was so all over the place and I had it at first and then I lost it, and that's because my week is just like up down, no, but like I tried, you know. If you made it this far into the vlog, I love and appreciate you so much. Thank you so much for 2,600 subscribers. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and I will catch you in my next vlog, which is coming very soon. Love you. Bye.